it's Nox here from Tip Top Kids. I'm going to show you how to make this super cool Lego Kanto Pokemon starter set out of Legos. Let's get to it.
I have Charmeleon, Squirtle, and Ivysaur. And so, let's start out with Ivysaur. Okay guys, so these are the pieces you're going to need. So, first you're going to get this piece, a 3x2, and stack it on another 3x2. And then you're going to get these 2 green cheese wedges and just clip them on right here. Then you're going to get the 1x1s. You're going to clip them right here on the bottom. Sometimes it's a little hard. I have it like this. Then you can get this flower. Don't really know what it's called. Kind of just call it a large flower. Gonna clip it right on the back. Right in the middle right here. Gonna get this little short red circle 2x2. Clip it on right here. And then this part's a little tricky. You want to get this little 1x1, little light green flower. Clip it on here. Sometimes it's a little hard to get.
Your perfect little Ivysaur. Okay? So, now we're going to go on to your Squirtle. These are the pieces you're going to need. So, you want this Travis brick. Mostly best if you use black. Don't have to use black. You can use white, any other color. I just figured out black is the best. And then you want this little 2x1 tannish color. Want to clip it on right in the middle. Like this. Same thing. Little 2x1, but red. Want to clip it right on the back. So it's like this. And then you want to get this cylinder kind of shape, clear blue cylinder. You want to clip it right on the top for his little head. Then you want to get these 2 little gray claw plates. And we'll clip them on right here, right on the sides. So he has little arms. And then you want these 2 little clear 1x1s, clear blue 1x1s. You want to clip them right on each other. And clip it right on the bottom. And your Squirtle. So yeah, it's got a little shell and stuff. So now we're gonna do Charmeleon. These are the pieces you're gonna need. So you want to get your Travis brick. I kind of did the same design for the Charmeleon and the Squirtle, but kind of changed up the colors. So Travis brick. Then you want, again, this little peachish, tannish 2x2. Clip it. Instead, if you look right here, there's a little hole in the middle. With the Squirtle, I clipped it on right in that hole, so it's like even. I just want to clip it on the top. Like that. And then you want one of these, like, kind of triangle kind of things, but red. Clip it right here. So you have it like this. And then you want this little 1x1 red piece. Clip it right on the back. Like that. And then you can get these 2, just like the last one, these great claw plates. Clip on right on the side as arms. Ah, he's falling apart. So now he has arms. And then as the leg, you're just going to get this clear red cylinder. clip it right on the bottom. And then as the head, you're going to want these two 1x1 clear red square 1x1s. You want two of them. Clip them right on each other. And then you want another little clear red cheese wedge. And clip it right on top of those 1x1s like this. And clip it right on the top. And you got Charmeleon. So, yeah. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and smash that like button. Bye!